Hello, in today's video I would like to talk again about the historical part of cash and carry trade, and today I will check 2019 and 2020 historical data for Bitcoin cash and carry trade. So we currently are at 2019 March contract, which most of the time was in backwardation, but we also had some Contango trades up to 0.7%. So there's some strategies trading in backwardation, but it's always the risk trading when the price in backwardation. But you still can wait till the price is in Contango and catch this 0.4%, 0.03%, and if you think that the price still will go down to the backwardation, so you can still close this trade in profit. So now let's see a June contract of 2019, and this graph is almost the same. Most of the time the price was in backwardation, but we still had these four spikes when the price of the future contract was higher than the price of the spot price. And let's see, and on September we can see that the trend has a bit changed, and the price of future contract started to go up, but it was really volatile. One day we have minus 2.13%, and after 3 weeks we have 3.7%, and after a week and a half we have minus 0.4%, and again we have 5.27%. And same as in December contract, the trend was going forward and was doing the same as it ended in the September contract. We was in Contanga and we could easily open some trades. But most important thing, and I think everyone wants to know and everyone is afraid, that if we have such a graphics, there's no opportunities to make trades, but it's really not true. Of course, if you're willing to have some passive incomes and just make one trade every quarter or every half year, it will be more hardly to do that. But if you are looking forward to trade actively, you can still make some good gains. So there still would be possible to make around 16% of on this cash and carry trade in 2019. Like I said, if you would be trying to trade actively, of course, if you would try to do this passively, this percent would be less. But if you would done it actively, so it's still 16%, and this 16% gives a better returns than, let's say, SP 500, which has around 7-8% yearly returns. So now let's hop on to 2020, and as you can see, on 2020 we started in the Contango, and on the March 14th we had really big market crash, and this also you can see on the Bitcoin chart, future chart, as the price started to go to backwardation up to minus almost 14%. Also, we can see the same spike, even the bigger spike on June contract. It was minus 18.6%, and you can see the June contract really was around zero all the time. Let's go now to September contract. As you can see, this contract opened also on March 14, but it opened with really high expectations with 16.8% in Contango, but suddenly it has dropped out really quickly. And we also can see in September contract that the gap was really almost zero. Sometimes it went to up to 3%, but almost every time it was around 0%. And on December, again, contract opened strong, and it was around 9%. Then it got back to 1.3%, and again it went up around 3.5, 3.6, 4%. So in 2020 we had a really lot of volatility, and the price of the future contract was going up and down, up and down. It was going to contango mode and to the backwardation mode. So as you can see, on 2020 we could make around 22.5%, and if you were lucky enough you could make even bigger money, because when one contract was in minus 18%, other contract opened with plus 16%. So if you were lucky enough and you have closed this contract with minus 15 and opened a new contract with plus, like, let's say 10%, so this number could even be around 30 or 35%. So as you can see, with cash and carry trades we still can make money no matter what happening, if the Bitcoin is in a bull market or in the bear market, or it is in decision mode and we are not sure which way the price of Bitcoin will go. Sometimes you can make a 40% a year, but sometimes you can make around 15 or 16%. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and see you in the next videos.